Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. Today's video is going to be about my favorites for July of 2020 skincare edition, of course, because there's a couple really good products that I've been really enjoying and I was like, I gotta put this in a video for you guys. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on the Like to Know It app. It's a fantastic app. It's a solely shopping app where it shows all these social media influencers wearing outfits, what their favorite beauty products are. I mean, at least that's what mine's about, girl. Mine's all about the beauty products. But anyway, I'm gonna link everything that I show today down in my description. So all you guys have to do is download the Like to Know It app for free on your phones, and then you could follow me, Morgan Talks, and I will show, and then you could just shop right from my blog. So I think that's fantastic, and it's a very easy way for me to show you guys what I'm using and what I'm wearing. All right, you guys, let's get started. Let's get started with item number one. This I've been representing on my socials for a while, but I feel the need to do it again just because July of 2020 is when I use this most. And it is the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. I have it in the scent Honeysuckle. You guys, I freaking love this body butter. I have been using this for years, and honestly, I use this every day on my legs, and I swear it gives my legs like this airbrushed look, and I absolutely love this. And I honestly, like, I can't recommend this anymore. Like, truly, this is my favorite body lotion, and I have repeatedly repurchased this cream over and over and over. I have it as, I also have this in like a smaller tube as a hand cream, and this I just absolutely love it. It's used to help hydrate dry, parched skin, temporarily help relieve minor irritation and itching due to eczema and other conditions. You guys, I love this for the moisture. It comes in a great non-scented version also, which I typically use, and I don't have any reactions to this cream. It doesn't make me break out. I could use it on my chest, and I'm prone to minor breakouts on my chest and my arms, my legs always, and I've honestly had nothing but the best experiences with this cream. The next favorite product of mine that I'm excited to talk to you guys about is my newest day moisturizer, and it's the CAUDALIE Vinosource Day Cream right here. It's called their SOS Intense Moisturizing Cream. You guys, I love CAUDALIE's creams. They smell so fresh, and this is pure white, and it's definitely a nice cream. Like, it's a moisturizer, and you just rub it over your face like a normal moisturizer. But I love it. This honestly kind of reminds me of their sorbet cream, and it might be a little more, it's a little whipped. It's a little more whipped, and it may be a little thicker. And when you apply it, it does give you a white cast. Like, you have to like massage it into your face. And they also recommend that you bring this right down your neck. So I love and a little does go a long way. And I just take I get my spatula, put it all over my face, and I love the way it smells. I love the way it moisturizes my skin. I love the way it sits under makeup. Honestly, my makeup applies so much smoother when using this, and I feel like I don't need a very long, extensive skincare routine when I'm using this moisturizer because I feel like it does its job so well. I don't need to layer under it. So that's a really good thing for a day cream. I have not broken out. I could be a little oily in the summertime. This has not broken me out. So I do recommend this for all skin types. Of course, dried skin lovers will love this. Combination people will absolutely love this. And oily skin will love this, especially if you're oily because your skin is dehydrated and it's flaking. You will really like this to moisturize and bring your skin back to a normal health. The next product that's been a favorite of mine, you know what? This product did a 360 for me. This is the FRUDIA toner, the Citrus Brightening Toner right here. You guys, when I first started using this toner, I was like, I mean, it's okay. Like, I think I even said this in one of my previous videos. I was like, yeah, I mean, like, I still need time with it. But I started using this much, much more, and it refreshes my face so nice. The smell is so fresh and citrusy, and honestly, it really freshens you up when you wake up in the morning. I don't wash my face in the morning because I have such an extensive cleansing routine at night. So I really, really rely on good toners in the morning to kind of tone up and cleanse my face with a cotton ball. This toner has done that and then more. I wholeheartedly recommend this as a day product because of how refreshing and awake this makes your skin look and feel, and it does do a good job at picking up some debris or some just laying and sleeping from the night before. You know, it definitely cleans your face up more than you would think. It is a K-beauty product, and it definitely performs as well as other K-beauty products. So I wholeheartedly am recommending this toner for all skin types for the daytime. My last and final favorite product. Now, you guys, this is a newer product for me, but I've been loving this. And it's by this brand Awake, and it's the Sleep Retreat Overnight Oil Gel. I love to keep it in its packaging. I don't know why, but like, look at how cute. It's overnight, so it's packaged with all these moons, and it gives you just like this whole experience. I freaking love this. I love this stuff. Now, there's something about gel masks that when you use them the night before, your makeup and your skin tone and type is so bouncy the next morning and so just filled with moisture, not oil. It's very full of moisture, and it's just so bouncy. And when you have this really, really well moisturized face from the night before, and your skin is just, you know, uplifted. And when I say bouncy, I mean that. It's not sagging, it's not crinkled and dry and flaky. It is resilient and bouncy. And when you have a resilient, bouncy, moisturized face, your makeup applies stunning the next day. Stunning. And the fact that there's oil in this is just astonishing to me because it doesn't break me out. So I absolutely been loving this. It's gonna get its own video. A little does go a long, long way. And let me tell you, it does say that you could apply this over your serum as your moisturizer for the night. I've been not even using a serum and just using one product at night after cleansing, of course. And this has been it, and I've been loving the way my skin has looked the next morning. So you guys, this is definitely a July favorite for me. And the fact that it's July and humid and this gel oil mask is my favorite right now says a lot to me. All skin types could benefit from this one, you guys, and I love it very much. I'm gonna link this down below for you guys. So that sums up my current July favorites. You know what? I just want to touch on this. This is a runner-up, and as I was filming this, I was like, I'm not gonna show, but this is a runner-up. It's not a favorite, but it's a runner-up. This is the Henriksen Truth Banana Bright Eye Cream. I think it's been doing a nice job at moisturizing under my eyes and also brightening my under eyes. So between this is your toner, this brightening up your eyes, this moisturizing your face for the day, and then this from the night before, your makeup is gonna look stunning. And then of course your whole body is just gonna be lathered in this, and you're gonna feel great. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this favorites video. I enjoyed filming it because I'm so enthusiastic about these brands, and I really, really love them. And these products, they just nailed them. So you guys, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, download the Like to Know It app again so you guys can have easy access to shopping. Also, it's Like to Know It Day on July 19th. It's a one-day sale where only Like to Know It app users will be able to access these specific sales. So I want you guys to get those deals. So make sure you download the Like to Know It app, follow me on the Like to Know It app, and you guys can see what I'm posting. Of course, I post my skincare products, and I post a bunch of my style looks. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I can't wait to hear if you guys like these products as well. Love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.